Hi, it's Paul. Welcome back to Project Management. Today, I want to talk about document skimming or skimming a document. You maybe have heard of speed reading, and this is not about speed reading. This is about skimming a document to get the information very fast. So, with a technical document like a manual for some piece of equipment or a textbook, it's not like reading a novel. It's not like you want to start at page one and read all the way through and you're looking for the surprise ending. What you want to do is you want to get the information from the document as quickly and efficiently as you can. And so you don't read a textbook or a manual from start to finish. You skim it. Uh, so here's some ways you can do that. First thing you need to do is read the table of contents. That'll tell you what's in the document, how the document is organized. And then from that, you want to decide which parts are interesting or relevant to you. If, for example, the manual has a history of PLCs, then maybe that's interesting, but that's not something that's going to help you troubleshoot the PLC. So you need to decide what's interesting, what's relevant. Next, you need to dig a little deeper and you want to read the first paragraph or two or the first page or two of each section just to get an idea of what's in each section. Next, you want to kind of scan it, flip through it, uh, see what sort of tables and graphs. Maybe there's sample code in the document. So, see what's in there that might help you. And lastly, flip to the appendix. Check out what's in there. Maybe there's some samples in there that might be relevant to you or other information. But the main point is you don't want to read a technical document from start to finish. Sometimes they're hundreds of pages long and it just might not be relevant to what you're trying to do. So the first thing you always have to do is you have to skim it, find out what's in there, get to the answer as quickly as you can. And then if some parts are interesting or relevant, then, read them in depth and maybe even take notes on it. If it's a manual that you own, then you might want to put notes right in the manual or put stickies on the edges. Okay, that's it for document skimming. Hope that was quick enough. Bye.